So hi all, welcome back. Yeah, it's literally welcome back. So I'm back from the hiatus. Yeah. So going forward, I'm trying to post videos more regularly. However, compared to the previous ones, the future ones would be more raw and uncut, but still more crisp and on to the point compared to the normal YouTube channels. Yeah, so that's the idea. Before I proceed in this video, also I'm going to talk about ShineOn jewelry print on demand only. Here I will particularly focusing on how to research and write a touching or a good message card. I won't be dealing with the design aspect. I have already talked about how you can design a card from using Canva. You can check out the link here. Yeah, you got the point, right? In this video, we are not going to focus on design, but how we can research, how we can find the niche, and how you can write a good message. And it's going to be easy, but it's a grey method. It's going to be easy, but at the same time grey. So it's 2023, everyone is after artificial intelligence. So this video will be particularly talking about a tool called ChatGPT. So we'll be using ChatGPT and we'll try how you can research and find out the niches, how you can write a good message card. And the good thing is that you don't need to write a message. The tool will write a message for you. So without further ado, let's proceed and see how you can achieve this. What is ChatGPT? It is a machine learning powered tool which you can access via your browser. It's from OpenAI, a firm founded by Elon Musk. But all you need to know right now is that it's a bot, it's a tool which answers your questions. Now, probably you will have a question, how is this different from Google and all? I won't be answering it right now. Just start using it and you will realize it's not Google. So, how do we sign into this tool? Google for ChatGPT. Just click on this link. You can see the button Try ChatGPT. Click on it. Enter your email address in the next screen. Provide your mobile number. You will be receiving an OTP. Enter it. Voila, you are in the tool. It's as simple as that. Once signed in, you will see this screen. Before you proceed, it's good to note that the data used by this tool is limited till 2021, meaning it's not trained on any data from the year 2022. Let us see how to use this tool. You can see some example questions listed here. You can try typing these out. Let us ask ChatGPT to write a post about print on demand. For this, you can see a text box area at the bottom where you can enter your question. Type your question and hit enter. Voila! ChatGPT have written a post about POD. This should give you an idea about the potential of this tool. You can use this to write your blog post. It can be used to write an ebook. So, how to write an ebook? Ask the ChatGPT to provide the outline of the book, describe each section. So, basically, by asking a series of questions, you can even write a book. You can make ChatGPT write a poem, write a rap song, or even a screenplay. Let us say you are writing a movie screenplay and you are facing some creative block. The next scene is something like the lead character is at some railway station in France. So what you can do is like you can ask ChatGPT to write such a screenplay. It will write it for you with even the camera cuts and all. You can read ChatGPT's answer and use it as a reference or draw some inspiration. So whether you need to copy it as such or use it as an inspiration or as a reference, it's totally your code. So that's why I told it's a gray set. So what I would recommend is like take this, combine it with your own sentences and write the content. That's what I would recommend. You can even ask ChatGPT to write a cover letter for you. Let's say you need a cover letter to apply to a university in Canada. You can do that. The possibilities are many. Certainly explore the tool. Let us come back to our goal. You would be probably familiar to research and find ideas from Amazon, Etsy, and Pinterest for message card designs. Let us ask ChatGPT to provide niches about message card jewelry. What are some niches in message card jewelry? ChatGPT will certainly provide you the answer. But maybe this is not what we are looking for. Like I mentioned earlier, we should carefully structure the question. In other words, for the answer to be right, the question asked should be correct. I repeat, for the answer to be right, the question should be correct. So let us refine the question. Let us ask what are some target audience for gifting jewelry with message cards. Now, if you see the answer, this answer seems to be more apt. This is what we are looking for: romantic partners, moms, friends, graduates, bridesmaids, and so on. We are now having a conversation with ChatGPT. This means ChatGPT knows our previous questions. So, based on the previous questions, it will correlate the current question too. Hence, we can ask a question like, what are the sub-targets under moms? This is how you can find your niche using ChatGPT. You can dig further if required. Say we decide our niche as single mom. Next is how we can write a message for our design. As mentioned earlier, we deal with ShineOn message card jewelry here. So for those who doesn't know about ShineOn, ShineOn is a print on demand jewelry service. The necklaces will accompany a card. You can write a message in that message card. That's what we are doing here. So let's proceed. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a touching message for single moms. Okay, the answer looks good, but this is lot of words. Let us ask ChatGPT to shorten it. The answer looks really good. Another approach could be you can ask ChatGPT to write a poem about a single mom. Let us make it more interesting by asking for a poem about a single mom who is a nurse. You can use the verses from this poem to write the message card. If needed, you can ask for short version of this poem. The potential is huge. The possibilities are endless. You can also derive message content from letters. For example, let us ask the bot to write a letter to granddaughter who just lost a pet. You can refer these letters and build a message card. One method I would strongly suggest you would be go to Etsy or Amazon, find an interesting item. Based on that item, write the question here. Let's say we want to make something similar to this. Since Valentine's Day is approaching, let's ask ChatGPT to write a proposal message for Valentine's Day. You can use this on your message card. You can ask ChatGPT to translate this to German and make a message card out of this. All you need to do is copy the text from the ChatGPT and paste it to your template. Rewrite it if required. That's it. You can paste it to your Canva template, to your design software like Photoshop, anywhere. So all I'm trying to do is like to push you into artificial intelligence. So it is just a push. So I want you to get to introduce to these tools. The first tool is ChatGPT. So it's up to you how you would like to use it, how to leverage the facilities. So it's up to you. Like I mentioned in the intro, this is a gray method. It's not fully white. It's not black. So use it wisely. Please do hear out few things. So ChatGPT, as of now, it's available for free. It's a research preview version. We don't know how long the ChatGPT service is going to be available. Will it? They can make it as a paid service. So make hay while sunshine. Jump onto the bandwagon, make your process quick, and do things more easily. That is the idea. And always club the AI tools with your sense. For example, the previous demo, I was copying the Valentine proposal message to a message card. But if you have noticed, the title is too wide. There is no point of writing a proposal message to your wife. So that is the idea. So always use the common sense. Research in Amazon.com, Etsy, and find out the bestsellers. Use them as a reference. You can look into the descriptions, identify the keywords, provide it to the ChatGPT, get the message, copy paste it to your template. So that's how it should work. Now another thing is like you can also leverage the ChatGPT to write description, to write the title of your product. So there are definitely many possibilities here. So like I mentioned, this is just a push. I want you to push the AI tools, explore it and use it wisely. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. And if you have watched till now, a very belated Happy New Year. See you again.